All right, welcome to the video for 21A. And remember, this is A, which means it's the first time you've seen this type of concept on the test. You'll have 2 more opportunities. If you didn't do particularly well on this one, don't spend a lot of time being frustrated about that. Use that time instead to match your test against the video, look at what you need to do differently, be ready for the next test. Okay, these types of problems, circle application problems, are kind of a culmination. The word culmination means what comes at the end. So we've spent time working on area, we've spent time working on circumference. Now we're going to look at some problems that put all of those things together. And so what we're doing in problems like this is we're given one item, in this case the circumference, and we're asked to find the area. Future tests could be just the opposite. Future tests could be you're given the area, you're asked to find the circumference. So what we know is that ultimately, meaning in the end, we need to find the area of the circle. So let's put the formula for area right over here. Let's put it on the right side. It is pi times the radius squared. That's how you find the area of a circle. And anytime you're finding the area of a circle, you need to find the radius. So we need to get the radius out of this circumference. So let's bring over what we know. We know that to find circumference, it's pi times diameter. We know in this case the circumference is 24 pi. We want to get the diameter because once we have that, we can get the radius. So we're going to divide both sides by pi, just like we were solving a 2-step equation. That gives us a diameter of 24. Now, we know from previous that a diameter divided by 2 equals a radius. When you have a circle, a diameter goes all the way from one side to the other through the center, whereas a radius is half of that. So if a diameter equals 24, then the radius equals 12, and we're going to bring that information up to this problem. So we're going to have 3.14, which is the value of pi, times the radius squared, 12 squared, which is 3.14 times 144, and that is 452.16, and since this was inches, this will be squared inches. So those are the steps for finding the area of a circle if you're given its circumference. You can figure out by watching that what it would look like if they gave you the area and asked you to find the circumference. You would just do all of those things in reverse. So again, match up your test against this video, and if you have additional questions, please be sure you bring them to class. All right, see you in the next video.